Have you seen my YouTube shorts?
No!
Well, let's go take a look. I wonder where they could be. Ah, I see them! My YouTube shorts! Hey guys, welcome back to The Science Kid. Today I'm going to be showing you a compilation of all the little experiments I've been doing over the past couple months. So let's go take a look. This is how you make super bubble solution. You need some Blue Dawn soap, some cornstarch, corn syrup or glycerin, but I'm using corn syrup, and some warm water. Now you're going to add a half a cup of your Blue Dawn soap to 2 cups of warm water. Then add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Lastly, add a 1/4 cup of corn syrup or glycerin. Now we're going to mix it up. You can use whatever utensil of choice, but I'm going to use this llama. Now make sure you mix it up totally together and just make sure everything's all incorporated without bubbles. Then you're gonna need a bubble wand, or something that can open and close. Then totally dip it into all of the solution, and you can either make a bad bubble, or you can make one like a boss. Shear force or shearing force works like this. As you can see, as I am cutting a lot of pieces of paper with a pair of scissors. A shear force is a force applied perpendicular to a surface, in opposition to an offset force, acting in the opposite direction. Or in simpler terms, it's one part moving in one direction and the other part being pushed in the other direction, working in a perpendicular fashion. Now it's time to take out my miniature guillotine. Now, this miniature guillotine may look like it has a huge blade on it. In fact, it's about 1 inch thick, and it wouldn't even cut my own finger. But by using shear force, it's actually able to cut a lot of pieces of paper at the same time. Which answers our question. Does hand sanitizer really kill 99% of germs? To find out, we're going to be using this bottle of glow germ and a UV light. Now, glow germ is a kind of germ that doesn't do anything to humans, but it is an alive germ, and I'm gonna rub it all over my hands. Now, a majority of germs are visible under a black light, and this is what that looks like. Now to apply the hand sanitizer. And rub it in really good. Now, it seems like almost all of the germs have been killed, and we can see that because our hands really aren't glowing too much anymore. Which answers our question. Have you ever wondered why cold glasses sweat? Well, it's because of this really interesting phenomenon called condensation, which is the exact opposite of evaporation. Now, evaporation, as we all know, is turning a liquid into a gas, usually done by intense heat. Now, with our example with the teapot here, we are turning water into a gas through intense heat of the kettle. Now, with our example of the cold glass of water, we are turning gas back into a liquid by using intense cooling. Now, this works by the glass being really cold and interacting with all the air around it. Now, the air has water molecules in it. Now, when the water molecules interact with something really cold, supercooling, it turns back into a liquid. So essentially, the water appeared out of nowhere, which answers our question. This is how you make an anti-acid bottle rocket. The first thing you're gonna need is some amount of water. Next, we're gonna need some sort of bottle to hold our water and our anti-acid, which can be in any sort of size, it just has to have some sort of cap. And lastly, our anti-acids. Let me just clean this up real fast. It's really important to have a clear and organized workspace. Outside we go! Thank you, other me! Now to start our experiment, we're going to be filling up our bottle 10/4 of the way with water and put in a reasonable amount of antacid. Cover that baby up and you'll watch it fly. Now for a bigger version and some memes. Thanks for watching. Thank you guys for watching, and right before you leave, just make sure you check out all of these things I will have listed here. Hopefully, if I am good enough at editing, you'll see something around like my Instagram, there's the TikTok, and the YouTube Shorts, all gonna be linked up, so make sure you check them out, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.